Yo, dude, are you ready to fish?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'll get more bluegills doing that too.
Did I hang out near swimming?
Yeah, because the aerator's over there. So it's more oxygen in the water. There we go. Bass. Tiny.
And the wimpy.
Get out from under the boat, buddy.
Shrimpy Saturday.
It's Saturday. Nice. Boom. Your run-of-the-mill green river trout. There he goes. Actually, this thing's a monster.
You need me, I can hold.
No, I'm all good. Should have left it recording so it could see the fight. Saw it strike. Well, they're eating here at 2 p.m. when it's 87 degrees out. Nice fish, nice young and healthy. Let's get him back. Feels very tiny. Very tiny. Tail walking, tail walking. That's a dive. Boom.
Not too bad.
No. I think he was swimming toward. Your little pop. Oh, the pop worked. There it is. Yeah, this is a decent one. Real. Can I boat flip this guy? Well, I don't have a net, so I guess I don't really have a choice. Oh, don't get caught up in the anchor. All right, don't. We got him.
Yeah, that's a big one.
They love this trout spinner. All right, there we go.
Is it the biggest one you've caught?
Today, yeah, for sure. Pop that out. This be a cool underwater release shot.
Damn.
Not bad. I don't know how long, maybe 13, 14 inches. Pretty good for this lake, to be honest. You're not going to get any trophies out of here. We'll take it. See you, my man. My tip's vibrating. Ooh, gill. Really big one.
Not as big, but
Not as big as the last one. That's nothing wrong with a little bit smaller compared to the others, you know? I was told size doesn't matter.
I've been told that as well. Hey, look at him.
Still pretty nice for a gill, though.
Yeah.
Should we put him down the water slide? No, the boat's
Can
too
I
hot.
throw him in?
Yeah, yeah.
How do you hold them?
You can lip him. Put your thumb in his...
Do they bite?
No.
Lip them?
Yeah.
Like that?
Have him good, though, yeah, because he'll flop around. Got him?
No. Not really.
Yeah, just you can hold it tight.
Alright, boys. See you later.
See ya, bud. Oop, I had a bite there. There it is. And I let go. I'm lucky it didn't get off. Ooh, he's jumping. Boat flip.
Yeah.
Not bad, you know, pretty standard for this lake. They're all about the same size here. There you go. Not a bad fish. Oh, he's bleeding on me though. Get him back in the water, let that clot. Oh, fish blood. One still on. Ooh, is this a gill? It is. Look at the size of this bluegill. Holy. Biggest bluegill of the year for sure. I'm gonna get an underwater release shot here. maybe like 70. Got one. This one feels tiny. Oh my God. Is this a wimpy Wednesday bass? Oh, I hooked him below the chin.
Wimpy.
I think that means you set it late if you hook him below the chin, but I could be wrong. Oh. Here. Nice looking bass, actually. Love them. Except us, the bass, and the bluegill. Tall pines. Wild. They probably are, I just can't catch them. There we go. You know what I was just thinking about too? Is I have no idea where my phone is. I hope it's in my bag, but to be honest, I have no idea. Tiny guy. Sometimes if the hook's in there, I prefer to grip it like, well, like a sausage, because I'm scared of getting the hooks in my finger. Sometimes I'll lip them. Nice but small bass. That one will get bigger. Look, he's got his gills flared out. Look at that. There you go, buddy.
He goes like rings.
Yeah, I don't know what those are. I've been seeing them now. Ooh, there we go. This is a gill. Holy, gill and a half right here. Jeez.
He's like a different color.
Yeah, that's what I love about the panfishes. They're all different colors. I like the actual bluegill on it is the size of my thumb. Nice big old gill. Northwoods, Wisconsin bluegill. That's what you think of right there. Biggins. See ya. Go make some more like you.
Problems, he's like, he's been too stubborn to die.
Pit right next to the boat.
He's been too stubborn
Jesus.
to die for a while. And so now he's finally...
Boat flip.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. That's a decent one, eh? Super close to shore. Look at us, you know. See you, my man. Oh, there it is. Oh, my rod just broke. Oh, no. I'm still reeling it in, though. Oh, it just got off. That's unfortunate. What in the heck? That was probably 20, 30 pounder too. I actually don't know how to fix this. Or frog. Bass love frogs. Could you imagine being just like a frog in here? Ooh, there it is. Gotta keep this one pinned this time. Gill, over by the lilies.
That's a bluey.
Dude, does this one have like a tumor on it?
What?
Oh no, it's got some sort of bump on its side here. I'll put it on the camera up closer in a second.
What the hell is that?
You see that? Whatever that is.
Did it get like bit or something?
Yeah, it could have got bit. I don't know what in here that was eating a bluegill this big. Maybe just a leech was on it or something too. Who knows? Alright, see you, my man. There he goes. Get the gunk off. Ooh, there it is. It's a bass. They swim at you, so I gotta reel faster than it's swimming at me. And the bass in here love to tail walk.
Hey. Should be one.
Yeah, it is a smaller one.
Oh, this dude, look at the bottom of him. He's got a little fucking thing on there. What is that?
That's his privates, Jake.
That's his privates?
Yeah.
What?
Keep it pinned. Oh, it's not hooked well.
There's a bluegill.
There's a bluegill.
Yeah, that thing's blue as hell.
Yeah, on the lips, yep. Oh, come on now.
Like, damn, these things are freaking huge.
I know, dude. Bluegill are great eating, too. Top fish to eat: perch #1, walleye #2, probably panfish #3. Well, salmon's #1 to be honest, but salmon. I'm talking like, you know, small lake fish. No, there's no salmon in here.
That'd be kind of cool.
Oh yeah. Got one already. Didn't press record, but ooh, it's a bass.
That's a big one.
Oh wow, that might be maybe the biggest one today. Oh no, what do you think, Jake?
It's up there. I don't know, that one earlier. I mean, there was
Had some noteworthy fish here. Not noteworthy. Oh, you know that ain't gonna be.
That's up there.
Wisconsin angling, Wisconsin master angler. No, but for this tiny lake, we'll take it. My knee's just in the way. See you, bud.
She's gonna be missing BVI adult, but she's coming back.
There it is. And look where we're fishing. Just the backdrop, the pine trees. Oh, it's just right on top of the water. Look at this guy. He's putting up a fight.
It's just skidding across it.
Oh,
and there it goes.
Yeah, the best part is fighting them to the boat. So once they get off right away, you know, you don't got to get pricked by their spines or a hook or. I mean, it doesn't make as good of content, but.
For the Zonten.
There it is. Bass. Oh, he's gonna spit it. It's not good. Oh, I had to jinx myself. You see that? That was the reverse jinx. The reverse jinx.
Spiders.
Yeah, the bluegill.
Oh, look at that. It's pointing his like mouth. There's a hole in him.
In my opinion, the bluegill fight harder than the largemouth. The smallmouth fight harder than both, but to each their own. Another nice one. Don't want him to get a hook in the eye. Yeah, beautiful backdrop. I put the fish too high so it can't be seen. There it is, felt the tapping. Oh, largie on top of the water. These always get off. Flip it, flip it. Oh. Reverse jinxed again. There you go. Big one. My white leg's out of there, dude. Oh, that's even worse. Really?
We got vocal nodulars, yeah.
I have nodes. What's that from?
It's perfect.
Yeah.
That's all I think about when I hear that. I have nodes.
I forgot about that, yeah. There it is. All right, this might be the outro because the camera's got 5% left. So thank you for watching. But if I catch any more fish, I'll just put it before this. So, oh, look at this guy. King of the lake right here. King of the lake.
He's a shrimpy Sunday.
He just hasn't hit puberty yet. I mean, he's at this point though, he's big enough to where nothing in the lake will eat him, besides like an eagle. So
there's a lot of those around here.
Oh yeah, the muskrat.
The muskrat's right there.
I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up at all, but there's a muskrat over there.
You can see
fish.
You can see it swimming.
It's just on my way down to the fishing area. I don't want to disturb him too much. He's laying eggs. There is a painted turtle laying eggs right there. I'll zoom in, so that's really cool. Yeah. The turtle just laying eggs. Awesome. Bite picked up again, so I'm going to throw on the chest strap.
I'm exhausted.
There it is. Saw it hit. That was pretty cool. Oh, he missed it, I guess. It's in his neck. Not the biggest one. Whoa, there he goes. Got another bass. Not, well, it's tiny. I was about to say not too bad, but that's pretty tiny.